Dear students, today I am going to teach an important lesson, air and its composition. First of all, we will know about the air. Dear students, you have to understand that what is air. I am going to tell you very clearly that air is the mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, noble gases and some dust particles. Here major component in the air is nitrogen. Understand? Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major part of the air. It is in the air as 78%. Is 78%. And after nitrogen, there is another important component, oxygen. Oxygen, that is 21%. And after oxygen, another main component is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. It is 0.03%. Understand? 0.03%. Other gases. Other gases are, understand, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, carbon dioxide 0.03%. In the air composition, there should be total 100%. So now we add up these three: 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide. Total, it becomes 0.3819729. It means only nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, these three gases makes air 99.03%, and in rest there are other gases. It means I will see the percentage of other gases by subtracting the total percent of these three: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. If we minus the total percent of these three gases from 100, we will get the percentage of remaining gases. Now, from 100, we are going to minus 99.03%. So we will get minus like this: 10 minus 3, 7, 9. 9 में से minus किया 0 and 0. Here, for other gases, there is 0.97%. It means other gases is 0.97%. And in other gases, there are many more things. like noble gases. Noble gases. In noble gases, there are helium, neon, argon, radon, xenon. In other gases are understand helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon. Water vapor, sulfur dioxide, some gases of sulfur, nitrogen dioxide. It means there may be many more other gases in only 0.97%. Now all of we reach to the conclusion that there are only three major gases. Out of which there are three major gases: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Other gases including many gases: helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon, water vapor, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. All other gases are only in very minute percent, that is 0.97%. My dear students, all of you have understood the composition of air. So these all gases makes up air, and the envelope of the air on the earth is known as atmosphere. And one thing is very important to note, my dear students: the extent of the atmosphere from the earth is about 200 kilometers. Yani from down to the earth, it extends up to the 200 kilometers. This envelope, it means layer of gases. Layer of gases, it means air covering from earth up to 200 kilometers is known as a atmosphere. Understand? Now I am going to tell you the importance of nitrogen, one component of the air. My dear students, all of you have to understand that this one component, nitrogen, is very important for living beings. We human or plants do not take nitrogen gas directly, but we take the nitrogen gas indirectly. Plant also take the nitrogen gas indirectly in the form of its compound. For example, nitrate, and nitrate is taken by the plant, and plant prepare its important food, in which there is a important component, protein, and animals takes the food from the plants prepared. In this way, this nitrogen enters into the animal's body. Hence we say that nitrogen is very important component of air. And in second way, being a major component, nitrogen being a major component, 78%, it dilutes the air, and reduce the effect of oxygen. We know oxygen is responsible in the combustion. So nitrogen being 78% moderate the combustion. Understand? Suppose if nitrogen's percent just be less, then oxygen percent will be increased. So in excess, more percent of oxygen, combustion rate will be increased. Once fire takes place, it will abruptly spread, and we will unable to control the fire. My dear students, in this way you have to understood how nitrogen is very important. Okay, thank you, my dear students. All of you should understand the composition of air. Understand? Now I'm going to conclude this, and all of you are requested to learn to understand air and its composition. It is beneficial in many ways in the life. Thank you very much.